Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Yes, even when it comes to your menstrual pads, it's so important to think about what you're putting on. These organic cotton pads from Livlit are a great brand that we decided to try out, and this is actually my second package. These pads are not only super soft, but they stay dry. They do not feel bulky at all, and they stick really well in all of the places that they should be. There's no skin irritation thanks to that great organic cotton material. And what I really love about these is that they're better for you as well. I found that I get a lot of rashes and I really don't want to have my daughter go through that. So having the right maxi pads can make all of the difference. These are nice and soft and they just feel really good when you're wearing them. Unfortunately, we all have to continue to buy these products, and having good ones that really make a difference can just help that time to be a little more bearable. These pads definitely, you can tell that they're made of good quality materials, and they really do the job when it comes to that time of the month. And that's my point of view.